Mike here. Hey, I want to show you a kitchen gadget that I think is pretty cool. My wife gave me this meat tenderizer for Christmas, and I absolutely love this thing. So these are meant to be an attachment for your KitchenAid mixer, okay? So you just take off the little cap on the KitchenAid, throw that in there, screw it on, and you're good to go. And I really like this meat tenderizer. This thing will make, you know those little strip steaks that you get, like 5 in a pack? I mean, that's what we have here. They're like 5 in a pack. They're anywhere from 5/8 of an inch thick to like an inch thick, but they're super, super tough. You know, it's an affordable piece of meat, but they're just tough. Um, so I used to, use the little mallet to try to tenderize it with. Well, anyway, after I got this, there's no way I'm going to do anything else or use anything else. This is really sweet. You just turn your mixer on to the slowest setting on the mixer, use some tongs, and drop your piece of steak through there. It'll run it through a few times, and I'll tell you what, man, it will really, really tenderize that steak. Now, we can take this off, and I just want to show you here that we have this little rotary dial that